At this point in time, WhatAm users need to manually manage their scenarios as separate job files. To simplify access to multiple job files, your scenarios, it is suggested that each job file is placed in its own folder. HCP Software is working on a more embedded approach to managing scenarios. Until that new version is released, here is the approach that we encourage. And why we consider this approach to be effective is that long before you first touch a computer to simulate the system, the engineering team is likely to have a set of alternative solutions or questions that are to be analyzed, making it easy to initialize your model scenarios as folders that match those alternatives. As an example, in this case study, Jaclem Consulting has predetermined the alternatives that will be analyzed. Consequently, on the case study USB drive, separate folders have already been created for storing the data inputs that will be used, building the base model from which all other scenario files will be created, then one separate folder for each operational scenario to be analyzed. During the case study, we will do the majority of all model building in the base folder, importing data from the inputs folder as needed, copying the base model file into another scenario folder by using WhatAm's File Save As function, or copying one scenario's model into another folder, again as a File Save As function. The weakness in this approach is updating data changes. For example, if a mistake is discovered or the client changes a pipe route. This multiple folder approach requires those corrections to be manually replicated across all relevant job files. HCP Software is working on an embedded scenario management approach to eliminate this weakness. Once available, any changes to the base model will automatically be available to all scenarios. Until then, use a suitable set of folders on all of your projects. In terms of the case study, the task of initializing the management of scenarios has already been done for you.